Hey, it's Amy Scott Grant, your favorite spiritual ass kicker, here to answer some questions about 2018 Boom. And the number one question that I've been getting, because this is the fourth year, this is the fourth edition, so the fourth year that I've done Boom, right? So this is 2018 Boom, the newest edition. And the biggest question I'm getting is, what's different, right? Like, hey, Amy, I've done it before. It's great. I love it. But is there anything new? Oh my God. It's so freaking different this year. I can't even tell you. It got a complete overhaul. It's okay. So let me just run it down for you. If you've seen prior editions of 2018 Boom, then you know this one looks really different, right? Even right off the bat from the cover. You can see that we have combined masculine and feminine energy here on the cover, right? And look at the spots that aren't even colored in, right? First off, this was hand drawn by my dear friend, Jennifer Ripa. You guys will meet Jennifer. She's awesome. She and I did all of the illustrations inside the book, which if you've gotten prior editions, yeah, there was one illustration in the book. It was a stock image and I didn't draw it, right? Bought it, didn't draw it. So Jen and I have done all the illustrations inside. Jen did the cover. And the reason that we didn't color it all in is because it's up to you. Like, come on in and play. This book is so much fun. You know, if you know me, if you've been following my stuff at all, then you know I'm like, let's get it done. Let's boom, let's get results. How fast can we go? Come on, how fast can we burn through these blocks and limiting beliefs and get to the good stuff and get to the results? Okay, that's very much my personality. The feedback that I've gotten on prior editions of Boom is, Amy, we love the book. It's very you. It's also has a lot of masculine energy because I'm like, boom, let's go, let's get it done. Come on, chop. Right? Because that's my personality. Well, as you might have noticed, there's this huge divine feminine uprising that is like bubbling up to the surface, right? It's happening right now as you're watching this. It's happening all around you. So what I was really called to express in this version of 2018 Boom, what I really got that you wanted and you needed is more of a blend, because there's plenty of like super girly frou-frou planners out there. And if that's who you were and that's who you were into, well, you probably already bought one of those and you're already using it, right? But that's not who I am and that's not what I'm into. So this is about marrying and blending and integrating these two beautiful aspects of divine energy, which is the divine feminine and the divine masculine, and bringing them together, because together they can create a really harmonious, balanced energy and perspective and power, truly. Okay. So that's what 2018 Boom is about. Not just the cover, not just the drawings and the illustrations inside, but the whole flow and feel of it is way more balanced. If you've gotten Boom in the past and you thought, this is great, but I'm not a type A personality, you're going to love this, because this book is more accessible to everyone. A huge change that we made over prior years was, in prior years, you really needed to sit down and spend a few weeks and work your way through the entire workbook, and then bam, you were set for the year. That's not how this one is designed. Okay. I wanted to give you way more support. I want you to be successful the whole year through. So this one is designed in a monthly format. So there's a small section for you to complete at the beginning of each month or shortly before each month. And it will help you accomplish the same things, like crystallize your vision for the year and get really clear about what you're setting out to accomplish. Some of your favorites are still in here. The Fireworks 100, your boom word for the year, to really clarify, give you clarity and focus, right? Some of those old goodies are still in here, but there's tons of new stuff, and the whole process is way more streamlined. There's a lightness and a beauty to it that has not existed before in the let's get it done, boom, let's work our way through the exercises, okay? So you're just gonna feel a lot more relaxed and happy and joyful as you complete these exercises, right? But it still has that passion and purpose in terms of creating results. So it's now a month-by-month planner, and you can actually use this as your planner if you don't like digital planners, right? If you like to have it on paper, what day you're gonna accomplish what things, like that kind of planner. Plus, there are extra resources in here for you too, in terms of knowing what's coming up energetically, right? When there's a big meteor shower or a lunar activity or an eclipse, or when a planet is going retrograde, or when a planet is turning back direct. the moon cycles, all of that kind of stuff that we as intuitives and sensitive people need to know in order to plan for, right? Doesn't mean that you crawl into bed and pull the covers over your head, but maybe you might have noticed when there's a big full moon or supermoon, you need a little extra sleep. Well, if you know, according to your planner, if you know it's coming up, then you can plan for that and make sure that you get that extra sleep in, okay? So the month by month, I'm looking at my list here, the month by month, it's way easier. There's room to play and it's so much more balanced. You are going to love this edition and you're really going to find it not only results achieving and focus, but a lot of fun, okay? Additionally, in the past couple of years, we had like a Boom community, and that was usually, I think there was a package for like $50 a month or $100 a month where you got supplemental information. Totally doing away with those that type of format this year. And instead, what I'm doing is the book has what you need to be successful. Okay, so you can just get the book on Amazon or on my website, askingmeanything.com. But if you want supplemental information, then come and join my Patreon community. Anybody who's at the $10 and up level, so like anybody can afford this really, any Patreon member who's at the $10 and up level in my community is going to get bonus extra material every single month to support you on your Boom journey. So that's what's different. That's what's new. Check it out. Get your copy. It's available at Amazon or on my website, and I'll see you inside.